Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious burrito on the stove. First, let's get everything ready. You'll want to gather all your fresh ingredients, from your choice of protein like seasoned ground beef or chicken to your favorite vegetables and cheese. Make sure to chop your veggies and shred your cheese for easy assembly. Warming your tortillas for about 15 to 20 seconds each will make them much easier to roll without tearing. Now, let's get those delicious fillings cooking on the stove. Heat a large skillet over medium heat with about 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil. Add your chopped vegetables, like bell peppers and onions, and sauté them until they are tender crisp, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, incorporate your pre-cooked protein and any beans, ensuring everything is warmed through. Don't forget to stir in your favorite seasonings for that perfect flavor. With your fillings ready, it's time for the exciting part, assembling your burrito. Lay a warm tortilla flat on a clean surface. Place about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of your delicious filling mixture in the center, leaving space around the edges. Now, add your favorite toppings, like shredded cheese, a dollop of salsa, or a spoonful of sour cream. Carefully fold in the sides of the tortilla, then roll it tightly from the bottom up to create a perfectly sealed burrito. To give your burrito that perfect finish, place it seam side down in a dry skillet over medium heat. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until it's beautifully golden brown and slightly crispy. This step not only helps to seal the burrito securely, but also adds a wonderful texture to the tortilla. Once it's perfectly toasted, serve your hot, homemade burrito immediately with any extra toppings you desire. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.